Good morning, one and all, and good morning, class 10th, all the students of class 10th. Good to have you guys back. So, today we'll be doing exercise 8.3. And what is new in exercise 8.3? We'll be discussing that in this exercise and in this video. I hope it's going to be help for you guys doing your homework and understanding how to do questions. Okay, so now the next topic that we are going to cover is multiplication of matrices. Now earlier, before this, I multiplied, but I just multiplied a single number. For example, in the previous exercise, what did we do? We multiplied a single number by a whole matrix 4, 6, 7, 9. So I was able to multiply this by all of them. But in this exercise, what we will be learning, how we can have two matrices of different order. Order means, m into m, number of rows into number of column. Okay, and how to multiply both the matrix together. So we'll learn that in this exercise. Before going to that topic, I would request you guys to understand one thing, and that is you can only multiply if the number of rows of the first matrix is same as the number of column of the first matrix is same as the number of rows of the second matrix. Can you see? If it's not same, the number of column and the number of row of the next one, then I can't multiply. I'll give you guys a very simple example. Two examples I'll be providing you. So I have one matrix, and the matrix says 3, 5, minus 1, 2. I have B matrix. B is 4, 7. Now you guys can see both the matrices, right? In both the matrices, what's the order of this? The order of this is there are two rows, 1, 2, and there are two columns, 2 into 2. In this, how many rows are there? 2 rows and one column. Can I multiply both of them? If I have to multiply and find AB, AB means A is getting multiplied by B. Can I find AB? A is different, B is different. Can I multiply and find AB? Yes, I can. Why? Because the number of columns is same as number of rows in the second matrices. Okay, now let's imagine this one. Okay, let's take this one is X and this one is Y. This one is 4, 5, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9 to 8. Now what's the order of this? 2 into 2. What's the order of this? 3 into 3. So can I multiply both of them? I cannot multiply X into Y. Why I cannot multiply X into Y? Because the number of column is not same as the number of rows in the next the matrix. So I need to make sure that the number of column is same as the number of row in the next one. Then only I can multiply. Now comes a confusion how to multiply, sir. You always have to multiply in T form. Okay, why I'm saying T form, just pay attention over here. So when I multiply and get an answer, my order is going to be the first one and the last one. So my order is going to be 2 into 1. So there are going to be 2 rows and 1 column only. How many rows? 2 rows. So when I multiply, the answer that's going to come is going to come the very first number and the last number. 2 into 1. That's the order that's going to come. I'll do some more questions for you guys. Don't worry. But I would request you guys to keep solving it with me. So A and B को multiply कर रहे हैं हम लोग. मैंने बोला है हमें T की फॉर्म में जाना है. T की फॉर्म में मतलब अगर मैं ऐसे जा रहा हूँ 3 और 5 ले रहा हूँ तो इसमें 4 और 7 लूँगा. तो मैं क्या करता हूँ 3 into 4 plus 5 into 7. ठीक है, I hope you guys got it. 3 into 4, 5 into 7. This is the first place. Now for finding the second place, that is supposed to be over here, I'll take this row and this column. So I multiply row into column. What do I multiply? Row into column. Row into column. This was the row and column. I'll get the first line. Okay, So I'm multiplying this row into column, the same column. So -1 into 4 plus 2 into 7. Okay, now I should have two rows. I got two rows, and I should have one column. One column. This is one column. How it's one column, you'll see. So 3 into 4, 12. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 12 is 47. So what did I got? 47. Minus 4 and 2 sevens are 14. I'll get 10. So what is my answer? My answer is 47 and 10. And what is my order? 2 into 1. This is my order. 2 into 1 is my order. I know many of you would not have understood it like this. Now I'll do a different part and with a different set of questions. So let's say I have a set P, okay, or not set P, it's a matrix P, and matrix is 1 5 2 0, okay, and the other matrix is Q, and inside the matrix there is 3 4 -1 6. So I have to multiply P into Q, P into Q, multiplication of matrix. That's the topic that we are learning, right? So I have to multiply P into Q. So what I'll be doing, the order is 2 into 2. इसका भी order 2 into 2 है. Can this be multiplied? Yes. Check out the column and the row of the first one. Are they same? Yes. If they are same, I can multiply them. Okay. Okay, so let's multiply. So I told you you have to go in the form of T. So when you multiply, you take the first row and multiply with the first column. Okay, so we'll start doing it. So I'll write the matrix, and what I'll be writing, the first row I'll be taking and the first column I'll be taking for the first element. So 1 into 3 plus 5 into 4. 1 into 3 and 5 into 4. This is going to give me the first one. यहाँ पे लिखने के लिए I have to take the first row and the first column. So 2 into 3 plus 0 into 4. Okay, to write over here, what I need the first row and the second column. So 1 into -1 plus 5 into 6. To place something over here, I need the second row and the second column. Okay, so it's going to be 2 into -1 plus 0 into 6, and then I can solve it. Okay, I can put PQ की value क्या आएगी, I can see. So 3 plus 20, okay, over here -1, 5 6 are 30, over here 2 3 are 6 plus 0 -2 plus 0. Okay, now I'll just bring my answer. So what is going to be my answer? My answer is going to be 23, 29, 6 and -2. So this is my answer that I got, and the order is 2 into 2. You can see, okay, the order is 2 into 2. That's how we do this type of questions. Okay, so I hope you guys are getting it. I'll give you some time, or you guys can pause the video and please try doing this question as I am doing. Please try doing. Always remember the first row, first column किस जगह पे आ गई, first element. Second row, first column over here. First row again and the second column, it's gonna come over here. Second row, second column, it's going to come over here. Multiply and add in the middle. Okay, so that's how you do multiplication of matrices, of two given matrices. Okay, maybe further on we'll learn how to multiply three matrices. This chapter is in class 10th right now, and directly you'll have this chapter in class 12th as well. Okay, of multiplication of matrices, okay, and finding the identity of matrices, stuff like that you'll also study in class 12th. But right now we are just doing the basic part, so that class 12th is going to be little easy for you to understand, because you have done the basic over here, how to multiply. We'll try doing some questions, okay, and we'll do some questions to make you guys understand how to do the questions on multiplication of matrices. Okay, let's help each other. How we can help each other is I doing some questions for you guys, and you also understanding and doing the questions in your notebook that is kept in front of you. If you're just watching the video, I would request you guys to pick up your notebook, a rough notebook, and start doing it so that it can be kind of a homework done for you as well. Okay, so question number 2, here we go. Question number 2 says a equals to 2 1 5 3, b equals to 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 2. Okay, this is set A, this is matrix A, this is matrix B. Find AB and BA. First I'll find AB and then I'll find BA. Okay, and they have asked me a question, is AB equals to BA or not? Is AB equals to B or not? So I have to focus on that. So solution, here we go with the solution. I'll find AB. How to find AB? Multiply this by this. So the first row multiplied by the first column. So 2 into 1 plus 5 into minus 3, right? And then the second row, okay, then the second row over here, and the first column. So it's going to be 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 3. Okay, and then again the first row and the second column. So that's going to be 2 into minus 1 plus 5 into 2. Okay, and then this row and the second column, second row and second column, 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into 2. Okay, so AB is equals to 2 ones are 2, 5 threes are 15, 15 minus 2, that is going to be 15 minus 2 is going to be 13 minus 13, right? 1 ones are 1, 3 threes are 9, 9 minus 9 and 1, that's going to be minus 8. I hope you guys are getting it. And then 2 ones are 2, 5 twos are 10, and then 10 minus 2, that's going to be 8 for you. And then 1 minus 1, that's going to be minus 1, 3 to the 6, and then 6 minus 1, it's going to be 5. So you got AB, okay, but now your job is to find BA and see if AB is equals to BA. So let's find BA. Okay, so what I am doing, I am writing B wala pehle, 1 minus 1 minus 3 2, and A wala baad mein, I am writing it over here, A wala 2 5 1 3. So I'll take the first row and the first column. Let's see if AB is going to be equals to BA or not. Okay, so first row, first column. So I'm multiplying 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1. Okay, then I'll take the second row and the first column itself. Minus 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Okay, and then I'll take the first row again and the second column. That's going to give me 1 into 5 plus minus 1 into 3. And then the second row, second column, minus 3 into 5 plus 2 into 3. Okay, so BA is going to be 2 ones are 2 and minus 1, that's going to be 1, right? Minus 6 and 2, that's going to be 4, minus 4. And then 5 minus 3, that's going to be 2. 15 minus 15 and 6, that's going to be 9. So I want to ask you, is AB equals to BA? Is AB matrix coming same as BA matrix? I don't think so. You can see clearly it's not same, it won't come same. So that's how you do it. And many of you might be thinking, sir, मुझे confusion हो रही, कैसे होना है multiplication? You have to do the questions that I am doing for you, okay? Remember this, if you are doing the questions that I am doing right over here and stop the video and do it and then stop the video, just make sure कि आप पहला रो ले रहे हैं और पहला कॉलम पहली वाली जगह भरने के लिए, ये नीचे वाली जगह भरने के लिए, ये वाली जगह भरने के लिए आपको दूसरी रो लेनी है और पहला कॉलम लेना है। फिर ये वाली जगह भरने के लिए आपको पहला रो और सेकंड कॉलम, ये वाली जगह भरने के लिए सेकंड रो एंड सेकंड कॉलम। ओके, दैट्स हाउ यू जस्ट हैव टू फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शन। ओके, आपके पास अभी के लिए इससे ज़्यादा वाले नहीं आएंगे, 3 वाले नहीं आएंगे जिसमें 3 वाले हैं या 4 वाले हैं। अभी बस 2 ब्रैकेट जिसमें 2 इंटू 2 वाले मैट्रिक्स हैं ऑर्डर वाले, वही आएंगे आपके पास। 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 या 2 इंटू 1 वाले आएंगे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा। ठीक है, इससे ज़्यादा वाले मैट्रिक्स नहीं आएंगे अभी आपकी क्लास में, वो आएंगे तो आपके पास क्लास 12th में आएंगे। ओके, सो आई होप यू आर गेटिंग दिस, how to do this, how to understand this, how to follow this up. Okay, so I'll do maybe one more question. Okay, let's see question number 6. Okay, because that's a part of your homework today, so I hope that this is going to help you. This is a little bit different question, that's why I'm doing this question for you. It contains trigonometric ratio and I hope many of you will put your hands on your head and say अरे यार trigonometry यहाँ भी आ गया, but don't worry, it's not going to be that tough. ओके, सो आई हैव सम स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स जो हम टेबल बनाते हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का, उसमें आ जाते हैं, उसमें वैल्यू आ जाती है। जैसे sin 30, अगर मैं sin 30 की वैल्यू देखूं सो इट्स 1/2। ओके, सो व्हाट डू आई हैव, 4 इंटू 1/2। वाई डिड आई राइट 1/2? बिकॉज sin 30 की वैल्यू 1/2 थी। फिर 2 इंटू cos 60, अब आप cos 60 देखोगे तो cos 60 की वैल्यू भी 1/2 है। फिर sin 90 आपको फिगर आउट करना है कितना है, 1। ठीक है, sin 90 कितना है आपको, 1 है, तो मैंने 1 लिख दिया। 2 इंटू cos 0 कितना होता है आपका, cos 0 1 होता है, cos 0 2 ऐसे लिख दिया, cos 0 1 होता है। और आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे किससे, 4 5 5 4 से, राइट? दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई, इजंट इट? नाउ व्हाट यू गोना डू, यू गोना सॉल्व दिस फर्स्ट, दिस इज गोइंग टू कम 2, this is going to come 1, so I'm just making it more simple, 2 1 1 2, and now you can easily multiply, right? Because now it's not that tough, it's not sine, cos, tan, nothing is there. So you take the first row and the first column, so your answer is going to be 2 into 4 plus 1 into 5, right? 1 into 5, and then over here you're going to take the second row and the first column itself, 1 into 4 plus 2 into 5. Okay, and then over here it's going to be 2 into 5 plus 1 into 4, and then it's going to be 1 second row and the second column, 1 into 5 plus 2 into 4, and then multiply and you'll get your answer, and the order is going to be 2 into 2. Okay, I hope you guys are getting it and understanding it, and you would understand now how to do multiplication of matrix, and you have learned something new in this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, how to do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and have fun doing your homework. See you, bye bye, tata.